I don't usually like showing my face, but a few people have said that I should, and let people know who I am. So I'm a Perflex UK guy. If you already follow the account, you know what Perflex is. And what I normally do on a day-to-day is pretty boring really, so difficult to make an exciting TikTok out of it. But today we have a demo at a shop called Tiles and Trims, so I'm going to show you that video next. So let me know if you like seeing my face. I know I don't. Let's go. And we arrived a little bit late. This is everything you get in the toolkit: the gun, some finishing tools, 2 or 3 cleaning tools, the wax and a scraper. This was a part used tube. We just left the old nozzle on to keep it airtight. Give the end a wipe, make sure there's nothing there that can cause a blockage, and put the new nozzle on. This is Ian applying the wax to the surface of the tiles. It'll clean any dust and debris, and also creates a barrier that the waste can sit on, so it's easier to peel off later. And that's Ian just discarding the first little bit to make sure it's mixed properly. And what he's doing here is he's filling the joint. He's just slightly overfilling the joint. There we go. You have to make sure it's full, but you don't want too much in there. He's using the wide end of the tool. He's touching each tile on the corner of the tile. You don't need to apply too much pressure, and you create a track of waste either side of the joint. And for cross joints, you start right at the corner from the track of waste that you've just created. You don't go back over where you've already been. And there we go. First ever go. Created a nice finish with epoxy grout. This is the bit where sometimes people say it looks a bit shiny, but what you're seeing is the waste is, even though it's very thin, it's created a large surface area at all strange angles and the light's bouncing off it. Here he's applying it to some larger tiles, 3060s these are. Same again, touch each tile on the corner. Don't need to apply too much pressure. And there we go. And this is the day after. It should be cured in 4 to 6 hours, but Ian left it until the day after. And there we go, show you how easy the waste is to remove. Lovely. So there you can see this is Ian's first ever try. He did everything within about 10 or 15 minutes. He was clean, no mixing, no water, no dirt anywhere. Lovely.